Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make origami paper because all origami paper is square, and typically at home we have rectangular paper. So here's a cool way to make your own origami paper. Excuse the mess. Okay, so let's say you have printer paper or any white paper or lined paper. No matter what kind of paper that you have, all of the paper is going to, no matter what you're using, it's all going to work the same way. And this works even with like brown paper bags or anything like that. So I'm going to do this long ways for you. So you want to get your paper long ways, and we're going to take the bottom edge of our paper and bring it over to the other side. So I'll show you what that means. This point, let's mark it. This point needs to be really sharp. Okay, it's going to be really sharp. So I'm going to show you what that means. So this is going to fold all the way over here. And we want this whole edge to line up perfectly on this edge. Okay, hopefully you can see that. So you're going to take one hand, hold the paper corner, and take your other hand and just put your finger on the corner, right on the left hand bottom corner. And you're going to slowly bring this over. Now, when you're lining this up, I'm not pushing down too hard because I don't want to crease it yet. But I'm using one hand to line up the edge, and the other hand, I want to make sure my focus, my eyes, or I'm making sure that this is a point. This is not a point, right? So we need to bring it back down, slide it down or up until we get a nice crisp point. Once you've done this a few times, you'll get really fast and you'll notice how fast you get. But you want to make sure that it really lines up perfectly and it's not hanging over the edge. If your paper's hanging over the edge, this is not going to make a square. It's not going to make origami paper for you. So now what we have is a triangle and this long skinny rectangle over the top. So you want to take like a pencil or a marker or something and just drag it along that edge. So I'm pushing up against the edge of this triangle. And then you can take a pair of scissors and cut this rectangle off. So when you're cutting the rectangle off, you can save this and maybe you could make a bookmark. You could give it as a gift to someone, right? It's your choice what you do with that piece of paper. But now you have a triangle and a rectangle. The rectangle we're not going to use, but the triangle, when you open it up, it's a perfect square. And that's how you make origami paper. Now, real quick before I let you go, I'm going to show you a way to do the same exact thing. But let's say that you don't have scissors or you can't find scissors. So we're going to cut the paper without scissors this time. So I'm going to get my piece of paper. We're going to do the same thing. I'm going to bring this edge all the way over. Try to line it up. Make that nice crisp point. Make sure it's nice and sharp before you push down. Okay. All right, so now we have that rectangle again. So we need to cut this off, but we don't have scissors. So you're going to fold this rectangle over the edge of the triangle. Now I like to make a really sharp crease. You can hear me drag my fingernails across that, but you can also take like a marker, a ruler, or something else and just roll it across so that it lays pretty flat. You want the crease to be amazing. Now we're going to reverse fold right on the same crease. So what I did was I just took my triangle and flipped it like a pancake, right? Like just like a pancake. And now I'm going to fold it back on itself. And I want that, I want this to be really sharp, so I'm going to use my marker and just drag it across the edge so it lays flat. See how flat that is? It lays flat by itself. All right, so here's, I know this is so crazy, and my students are always like, you did that. Okay, so here's what you're going to do. So leave the triangle piece. Go ahead and fold it back the first way that we folded it. And you're just going to run it through your mouth so it's wet. So when you wet the paper, it's going to be easier to rip. So make sure you wet the edges, right? And then hold the paper. And as you pull it apart, it's going to pull apart right on that crease that you made. And if it gets stuck, like right now, it's kind of stuck, fold it again. And rub it and just lick it just a little bit. And this will give you, see how it got stuck? This will give you perfect origami paper every time. Hold it square.